Hi there everyone, your Pyral here with another vlog. So, you want to know what's annoying? Wanting to record, but not being able to. That was something that happened earlier today. I wanted to record earlier. I had the opportunity. That's why. So, I wanted to record earlier today. I was going to record either Twilight Princess or Mori, but I had hiccups all day. And oh my goodness, what even was that noise? I had hiccups all day and it was very, very annoying. Now, I could have tried to record with hiccups, but if I did that, then I'd be interrupted every sentence or so, because they were more frequent throughout earlier today. But it would have been annoying to just have my train of thought interrupted by hiccups, and just even having that like show up in the commentary. So all that time I had to record earlier today just went out the drain, and I'm annoyed by that. Now, I did use today to edit some videos. I'm waiting for a hiccup to show up because I felt one coming. But I did use that opportunity today to edit some videos. I have nothing left to edit now, but it's still annoying because I wanted to record like either a Mori or Twilight Princess, I don't know, but I was in such a good mood to record. But yeah, having hiccups all day was very annoying, not just for recording, but just in general. It's very annoying when hiccups do show up. So that's basically where I'm at. And this has happened a few times before in the past where I had time to record, but then hiccups would show up. It's just annoying. So yeah, I am glad though that I did finish editing everything I needed to do. So yeah, now I could record tomorrow. I don't know. I mean, I am working tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm gonna have hiccups tomorrow then. Hopefully they'll go away by tomorrow morning, but right now, even like recording this vlog, I don't know if it's like obvious, but I am very annoyed at the fact that I'm hiccuping in the middle of a vlog, but that was like, this is the subject of the vlog, so yeah, it's an annoying thing to deal with, and I've never really enjoyed having hiccups anytime they show up, just because they bother me. I remember a time, actually, I think I was in kindergarten, but there was one. I remember one time, actually, I was in kindergarten, I think, but I had hiccups like the entire day, and I remember a few kids like just making fun of me for it. So that might have been like what initially made me annoyed with having hiccups, but either way, it's a thing I don't like having to deal with, just because, especially when you're talking, right? Like when you're talking, trying to get like a word out, trying to like say a sentence, and then it just like comes up. I don't like that. So yeah, anyways, that's really all I wanted to talk about. Hiccups are dumb. Not Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon, because Hiccup is a cool character, but hiccups are dumb. Also, I'm just reminded of an episode of Ed, and Eddie where they had a flashback. Not really a flashback to something that didn't happen, but it was a time capsule episode where the Eds were talking about like a time when Double D had hiccups. I remember a lot about Ed and Eddie. Anyways, that's a bit off topic, so I'm just gonna end it off here. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all next time for another vlog. One more hiccup to end things off. Why not? Later.